Alright, quick little video. We're going to try and unjam this Paslode framing nailer. We're also going to test out this little kind of chest mount harness. This is my cousin's framing nailer. Apparently it jammed on him, and we're going to try and unjam it. He thinks it's probably just from not being cleaned, which it probably is. This is a CFN325 cordless framing nailer. I've watched a couple videos on how they do it, or how they clean this. I've never used them. I've been wanting to get a framing nailer, so I told them, hey, let me check it out. Let me see if I can unjam it and get it running. So I've never used these before, so I'm going to be relying on the instruction manual and ChatGPT to figure this out. But it looks like, see if I can get a good shot here. It's just this push lock mechanism. Kind of releases the nails from the cartridge there, and then I think from here we've taken out the battery. Now we need a 5/32. Shot here. This screw here, on this Allen head here, you got to take off. Oh man, it's on there tight. Apparently you just loosen these, you don't really take them off, or they won't come off. You just loosen them. There's two of them, one on each side. So we'll do those, and then we're going to do these back sides here. You know what? I think we also got to take out the fuel cartridge, which I believe is just this piece that unhooks, and then this is the fuel cartridge that comes out. So we leave it unlocked, and I believe this piece just opens up. It might be still attached from the top. This piece, the kind of housing of the gun, slides up, and then you just kind of pull it forward, because there's a fan assembly right there. There it is. All right. I think we also got to, oh, this whole piece came off. Little filter here. All right. So first thing we'll do is just clean out this filter here. This is just their spray they give you. Put this back in here. Alright, that's done. Next it says to liberally spray this like fan assembly here. So that's what we're going to do. fan assembly looks much cleaner. Just lay this off to the side. All right, this is the one that requires a little bit more cleaning. So apparently all you do is just push that piston forward, just like that. And then same thing, just kind of spray it down. I think this pushes the piston kind of back down. Everything feels pretty smooth. I don't know why it wasn't working. It didn't look that dirty. All right, we'll spray it down one more time here. All right, now we're gonna grab the lubricant and just throw some drops in here on the kind of sleeve of the piston. All right, I think we've got about 4 or 5 drops in there. And then apparently we're just gonna manually push this piston forward. And then we're gonna push it back to kind of get all that lube on the sleeves of the cylinder there. So the piston moves up and down, but there's also like this housing just outside the cylinder that also moves up and down. You guys are trying to get a good angle, but it's kind of hard. So I think we're also supposed to throw some oil right there. So we'll just throw a couple of drops. All right, that looks pretty clean. We lubed everything up. Cleaned it out, everything's sliding pretty smooth. I'll try and put it all back together. All right. So you just got to be careful with the fans here. As you put it in, you don't want to hit the fan blades. All right, there we go. I'm not going to tighten it all down. I'm just going to get it a little snug here. So kind of everything goes back to the position it was in. And then I can put this housing back here. I've been personally wanting to get a framing nailer, but they're kind of expensive, especially these Paslodes. I've used the Milwaukee framing nailer before, but those things are super heavy. So after holding it in your hand for like 15 minutes, if I had to guess, that thing probably weighs like 20 pounds. But this thing's super light. This thing doesn't weigh anything. This thing is probably, if I had to guess, like 7 pounds, maybe 6 pounds. All right, so now we'll snug all these down. All right. Come back to these top ones and just snug these down the same. All right, everything appears to be running smooth. Let's go ahead and throw some nails in here. Our battery. This is the old cartridge. So the same thing. I don't think this goes a certain way. There we go. There we go. That's what it was. All right, so that's, if you just slide it in here, that's just standby mode. You have to push it all the way here, and that engages kind of like the on button, and then you'll see the green flashing light. So now let's give it a shot. There we go. Yeah, it works. That's good.